drive off the cliff, but her husband told police his Tesla had tire pressure troubles. The man is pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of attempted murder. Jim Roop, KABC News.
Orange County DA Todd Spitzer says he's cracking down on burglaries and smash and grab robberies and will even charge some defendants with hate crimes.
Spitzer says he formed a unit in his office called the Home Invasion Eradication Interdiction Strike Team. The focus is on burglaries, home invasion robberies, and smash and grabs. Over the past year, more than 140 defendants have been charged with those types of crimes, including 24 from 5 separate burglary crews in the past 2 weeks alone. Hate crime sentencing enhancements are against 7 defendants accused of targeting the Asian community. Spitzer also threatens to publicly call out judges he says give reduced sentences for some defendants. Sharon Reardon, KABC News.
KABC Sports. Lakers at the Nugs for Game 2 of the Western Conference Finals tonight. Denver leads the series 1-0. That's sports on the home of the Trojans. At last check on Wall Street, major market indexes were mixed. KABC News is sponsored by STEM. If the weather calls for rain, then the rain calls for mosquitoes. Keep them away with STEM. STEM is powered by active ingredients found in plants to repel mosquitoes safely and effectively when used as directed. STEM, rooted in nature, optimized by science. KABC weather. Tonight, partly cloudy early, then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-50s to around 60. Here, John Phillips's Fix California Hour. Motec on Money, Leo 2.0 and more, live and on when you want it, free and easy. Go to KABC.com. Try it now, KABC.com. Traffic next.
Hello, friends. It's Frank Motec here. If you are approaching retirement or currently enjoying it, financial stability and security become top priorities. You worked hard all your life, fought for every penny. We all want a recession-proof investment that can help us outlive our money, right? With agents with over 30 years experience in this sector, Van Noop Financial can help. They specialize in a 200-year-old conservative asset that has created generational wealth, restored peace of mind to numerous families in the U.S., and in today's stormy economic world, this asset is stronger than ever. With Van Noop Financial, expect a secure investment without exposing your principal to market risk. Thousands of people have found financial security and stability using this amazing resource. To take advantage of this opportunity, learn more and see if you qualify, call Van Noop Financial at 844-703-0000. That's B-A-N-O-U-P Financial, 844-703-0000. Call 844-703-0000 for your free brochure.
Thanks.
KABC dependable traffic. Silmar, the 5, northbound at Roxford. Stalt Big Rig has the off-ramp partially blocked. Griffith Park, the 134, eastbound before Forest Lawn. Large pipe in the carpool on left lane. CHP not saying if it's a plumbing pipe or a smoking pipe. Irvine, the 5, southbound before Jeffrey. Disabled vehicle, left lane blocked. Traffic is stop and go. Riverside, Sig Alert, 91, eastbound at Tyler. Crash has the carpool and left lane blocked. Traffic is bumper to bumper from McKinley. That's dependable traffic. I'm Kevin Tripp on AM 790 KABC.
If you want to sell your home, you have to know that the market has changed with the drastic rise in interest rates. And that means it's important to take action now. Before you call an agent, call Seller's Advantage. Seller's Advantage is a great alternative for selling your home. No dealing with agents, commissions, and paying for repairs and waiting months to sell. They'll make you a competitive cash offer and can close in days. No agents, no commissions. Seller's Advantage makes the selling process easy so that sellers walk away happy. See what other sellers have to say and check out their reviews. If you're ready to sell your home, call Seller's Advantage. They may even offer a $10,000 advance to help with moving expenses. Call for a no-obligation offer at 888-303-AS-IS. That's 888-303-AS-IS, 888-303-2747, and find them online at sellersadvantage.com.
Don't worry, sell happy with Seller's Advantage.
GRE number 1096168.
Old folks' home. That's a place nobody wants to end up. They try to make it sound better by calling it assisted living, residential care, nursing home. But everybody knows what it really is. Old folks' home. Or even worse, rest home. Forget that. My name is Alex, and my company is callbeforeyoufollow.com. It is my mission in life to keep you out of the old folks' home.